Hey y'all, what's up? This is Rox. So today we're going to be talking about how to take down your hair and after you've taken out your braids, and then just getting rid of that buildup that sits at the top of your braids after you've taken out your hair, just so that we can prevent damage and hair damage and everything like that moving forward. So stay tuned and keep watching if you want to learn more about not allowing your hair to break off, because child, it's been a struggle. Okay, so I've got my steamer here, and then I use my jojoba oil. I got this from the beauty supply store, and this is about maybe $4 for this really big bottle, so that's good. And then I've got my tail comb and some argan oil just for some extra oil to help me. And then I got my spray bottle of water just because, just in case, you know, it's gonna get ugly. And then after this, I'm gonna wash, steam, and condition my hair, just so that I can make sure I got all the extra buildup out. It's extra clean, and now it's ready to just lock in more moisture. So yeah. Also guys, I know people were asking me about the IVYPARK. This is the brand new backless cap from the new IVYPARK Rodeo collection, and I'm actually selling another one of these on my Poshmark closet, so check it out. I'll leave the links down below to my closet, and you can just buy one of these if you want, because I got an extra one. So first, I'm going to start with the front, because you know our edges are precious. That's one thing I'm not playing about. And then you can see the buildup at the top here. It's like starting to matte. I had the braids in for about maybe, I want to say almost a month. So 3 to 4 weeks I had them in. And you know, obviously after it's over time, it'll cause you to have buildup at the top of your hair if you're adding gel to it to like replenish it and make it look pretty after, you know, 2 and 3 weeks and it's looking kind of old. So what I do is I take the oil, put it on my hands, saturate my hands with the oil, and then I do not use the comb until the very end. We're gonna leave that back there. And then I literally just finger detangle, and I'm pulling apart this knot here. Pulling apart these fairy knots. All right, this is a little bit better. So now I just work my way over. The knot is right here. Yeah, that's the knot. So I would pull this apart, try to break this up. So I would rub the oil like this along my hair. And then, let me get closer, guys. And then I would just continue to pull apart. And then once all the buildup, so now it's just left here, if you can see it. So now the buildup is breaking up. Continue breaking that up. Okay. So now I can go through finger detangle one more time. And then, okay, that looks good. So now I comb. And there's gonna be obviously some dead hair here because I've had these braids in, like I said, for a month. So I comb that through, and this is the amount of hair. You can't really see it, but it's not that much. And I'm just gonna continue doing that for each braid. So after I'm done, this is like a whole half-day process. After I'm done with that, I do that for each section. Well, each section that has the buildup. Some of them might not have it, but mostly in the front, because that's the place where people have the most gel, because you want to make it look pretty right here. So I'm going to do that, and then we're going to come back and I'm going to show you guys how I condition, steam, and treat my hair. So alright y'all, so I just finished taking out my hair. I've combed out everything. This is what it looks like. I'm going to do a spin. My hair is really thick, so there's no more buildup left, and a lot of hair actually did come out, but this is like a lot less than what normally comes out, so that's good. So oil is this is what's gonna work for me. And disclaimer, this may work for me, but it may not work for somebody else. So this is the way that I found that buildup leaves my hair without pulling a lot of it out. So this is a really good method for me to use, and hopefully it works for you guys too. Let me know in the comments if it works for you, if it didn't work for you. And yeah, so now we're gonna get to conditioning. We're gonna use the steamer, and I'm gonna give you guys an honest review on that. On this steamer, I've been using this for a long time. A lot of people ask me, you know, how do I like it, you know, what I like about it, and I love the fact that it's a 2-in-1, so I can use, it has like an attachment. This actually comes off, and it can be used as a facial steamer as well as a hair steamer. So let's get started. I haven't steamed in a minute, so it's gonna be fun. Okay, all right, let me get it together and then I'll come back. Okay, so we're washed, we're shampooed and conditioned. So now I'm gonna add my mask. So I don't know if you guys can see, this is my head. The shrinkage is real, I know. But so now I'm adding my miel, rosemary, mint, strengthening. All right, my miel. So I put this in my hair, and then I'm gonna sit underneath the dryer for 30 minutes to an hour. So I've been using a lot of this. So usually what I do is take about a dollop worth per section. So this is the back section. Maybe I'll probably use a little bit more, start from the ends, and then work my way up to the root. It smells so good. Minty, rosemary and minty. Actually, I'm gonna add a little bit more because my hair, okay. And then let's do this half. Another dollop. And do the same thing. So I like to just work it in. This is like my favorite part of self-care. Steaming and just making sure my hair is really, really healthy. Take a look at what it looks like. You guys can see my root. Okay, and then, so some people use a shower cap and then go underneath the steamer. I like to just go straight into there. And then I'm going to show you how we put it together and turn it on and all that good stuff. So let's do that. Steamer is the Kingdomcares 2-in-1 hair and face steamer. And it comes with the steam option and then the ozone option. So what you do is you fill this up with water. This is the maximum that it can go. And then you turn on the steam button. And then once it's on and ready to go, and the water has been warmed up, then you'll start to see steam coming out of the hood right here. And there's some options here. If you want maximum steam, you just turn it, and if not, you want it to air out, then you'll do that. The 3 holes will be exposed, and then you can have the steam come out that way if you want it on a lower setting, essentially. So in order to fill this up, we use alkaline water. It's recommended in this steamer. It's just better for your hair. It's better for your face. So I like to use alkaline water when I'm putting water into the steamer. So it's getting hot right now, and then I should see some steam coming from here. There's a little bit, you can see it, but it's definitely getting cloudy up there. Alright, you guys, so I had to take a little rest because the little one's back, but this is how my curls came out. As you can see, my curls are popping. I'm actually gonna leave the wash and go like this for a day, so I'm not gonna dry it and everything, but after I take it out of steam, this is what it looks like. This is my hair after I've steamed it. These are my curls. It looks very juicy. My curls are springing back to life. And then in a week I'm likely gonna do a protein treatment just so that I can solidify that strength in my hair after I've had it in box braids for a month. It needs to be now re-strengthened, and so I would use a protein treatment by FOG. That's what I use. So what I like about the steamer is that it has the option for me to steam my face or steam my hair, and it really gets down and deep. So it was actually a little hot, so like I was telling you earlier, I was able to kind of change the setting so that it was lower. Can you stop? Go sit outside. I'm gonna go put shoes on.
Shoes on.
Yeah, go ahead. Go put your shoes on.
Shoes on.
Yeah, outside. Go in your room. Go sit down away from mommy. Thank you. Anyway, so I only have to do 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes, but I like to do like 45 just so that I can really ensure that the treatment is getting put into my hair the way I like to put it. And then right after that I can wash it out and my curls basically come back to life. So I really love this steamer. I've been using this for years, and if you want to check it out, you can check it out from my list on Amazon. I got it on Amazon under self-care finds on Amazon. So thanks for watching, guys. I put the links down below to all the products that I've used, and see you in the next video. Bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.